everybody! So I wanted to show you, this is too funny. This is his newest lovey, or toy I guess. It's a dodo bird. And there was a dodo bird in Alice in Wonderland. So this is his first toy, and I just thought this was too funny. I got this at Walgreens, of all places. But yeah, so that's his dodo bird. Just love it. I also wanted to clarify, he is not the prize for the Wonderland giveaway. He is not the prize. He's for me. I created him for me, but the prize is going to be something equally cool, but very different. So I had a couple people ask, and I just wanted to clarify that. He's not the prize. He's mine. But, yeah, so that's all I wanted to say. I hope you guys are having a good day. And if you have a Wonderland baby or expecting one and you want a dodo bird, you should totally go and get one at Walgreens. So that's it. Bye!